Hi, this is AURION, your personal AI assistant with a natural conversational experience. It supports secure access, remembers past conversations, and adapts to different user needs seamlessly. Let's take a look at its features in action. Here's how it responds in real time.
Hey everyone, do you remember my previous project where I built the AURION, my personal AI voice assistant? So in this project basically I tried to integrate my Streamlit UI to my AI assistant. So let's get started. And the password, I used password hashing for the more security. So yeah, our sign up is done. So let's log in into our system. So you can see this is my interface.
Once you sign up or log in, the system unlocks its core intelligence. Let's see what happens next.
In this project I used 4 mode, and by default it is in general assistant mode. So learning tutor, coding assistant, and career mentor.
In general assistant mode, the system handles queries, conversations, and tasks seamlessly. You can ask anything and get instant, intelligent responses.
What is AI? Then the assistant is thinking. Then it will generate this answer.
In learning tutor mode, the system guides you through concepts, answers questions step by step, and supports your learning process. You can ask questions freely and receive clear, intelligent explanations in real time.
So as it is in learning tutor mode, so it will break down step by step.
The system helps you write, debug, and optimize code efficiently. It can explain coding concepts, suggest improvements, and provide best practices. Ask any coding-related question and receive clear solutions in real time.
So let's jump into the coding assistant mode. So I pass the command to implement depth first search in Python. So see, the assistant just generate this code.
Switching to career mentor mode, here you can explore career options, plan your growth, and get expert advice. Here also introducing the new voice-enabled interaction, Just Speak, and the assistant responds instantly with smart, personalized guidance. Just ask, and the system will guide you in real time.
How to prepare for interview as data scientist role. Then it will break down what to learn, how to prepare for the interview for data scientist role step by step.
It also comes with handy features like creating a new conversation and deleting old chats. Managing your interactions has never been easier.
So here we can use the new conversation, and we can delete the current conversation. So let's create new conversation.
Accessing the database module, this is where all conversations and user data are securely stored. The system manages, retrieves, and updates information in real time for seamless interaction. Let's see how it works in action.
Now we will move into the database. So here we can see that this is the database where the user information is stored. So see, the password is hashed. I logged out from the system and then again log in. Then see, it saved our previous chat history, and it also stored in the database, and we can delete it as well. So if we go to the database, so here you can see the user conversation. See, conversation list array. So at first I what is AI, and then this is the answer of the assistant. So this is the second conversation. This is the assistant answer. We can clear all of the conversation from here. So if we delete any conversation, then it will delete from the database as well. If we refresh the database, then we can see that the conversation is deleted from the database.
So, that's a quick walkthrough of this voice-enabled mini ChatGPT and how it works. That brings us to the end of this project demo. Thank you for spending your time. This was AURION, designed to make interaction smarter, simpler, and more intuitive. Powered by Gemini and created by Arman Alalam. AURION signing off for now, and see you soon.